Join me as I take on the challenge of uncovering the 10 essential secrets that survival experts want you to know right now. When it comes to surviving in the wilderness, you can never be too prepared. And who better to learn from than the experts themselves? That's why today, we're diving into the top 10 secrets that survival experts want you to know. These aren't just any ordinary people, they're the ones who have spent years honing their skills, facing challenging situations head-on, and coming out on top. They're the ones who know what it takes to stay alive in the harshest of environments. And they're willing to share their expertise with us. When you're lost in the wilderness, every minute counts. One wrong move can be fatal. And let's face it, finding food, water, and shelter are just the basics. But what about when you're dealing with extreme weather conditions, navigating through unfamiliar terrain, or treating injuries with limited resources? That's when things get really tough. In these situations, panic can be your worst enemy. It's easy to get caught up in the fear and uncertainty of it all, but that's exactly what can lead to poor decision-making and decreased chances of survival. On the other hand, having the right skills and knowledge can mean the difference between life and death. Take finding food, for example. You might think it's as simple as foraging for berries or catching a fish, but what about when those resources are scarce? What about when you need to make a fire without matches or navigate through dense fog? That's when having the right training and expertise can make all the difference. So what are these 10 essential secrets that survival experts want us to know? Well, let's dive right in. From navigation techniques to first aid hacks, and from signaling for help to finding shelter in the most unlikely of places, we're covering it all. One of the most critical secrets that survival experts swear by is the importance of staying calm and focused. It sounds simple, but in the heat of the moment, it's easy to let fear take over. By staying calm, you're able to think more clearly, make better decisions, and increase your chances of survival significantly. In fact, this secret is so crucial that it's often the difference between life and death. Take, for example, the story of a hiker who found himself stranded in the mountains during a snowstorm. Instead of panicking, he remained calm, built a shelter, and started a fire. He ended up surviving the night and making it back to safety the next morning. Another essential secret is knowing how to navigate using the stars. It's easy to get lost in the wilderness, especially when you don't have a GPS or compass. But by learning how to read the constellations, you can find your way back to civilization even in the darkest of nights. And then there's the art of finding shelter in the most unlikely of places. From abandoned cars to natural formations, survival experts know how to turn anything into a safe haven. And it's not just about having a roof over your head, it's about finding a place that can protect you from the elements and keep you warm. These are just a few of the 10 essential secrets that survival experts want you to know. By mastering these skills, you'll be able to tackle even the toughest of survival situations with confidence and ease. So there you have it, the top 10 secrets that survival experts want you to know. Remember, survival isn't just about having the right gear or equipment, it's about having the right mindset and skills. By incorporating these secrets into your outdoor adventures, you'll be able to stay safe, stay smart, and stay alive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more life-saving advice and survival tips. And if you've got a survival story to share, leave it in the comments below.